If you are interested in making a YouTube channel statistics display for your own channel, then stick with us. Using this project, you can easily monitor your YouTube channel's live statistics. It is very easy to build and it helps you monitor your YouTube channel's growth without continuously going to the channel. Hello everyone. Welcome to Arduino Yard. Today we are going to make a YouTube channel statistics display. We are going to learn the following things: how to use YouTube API service using Google Console, how to get YouTube channel ID and use it in the code, fetching the YouTube channel data and display it on an OLED. We will be working with the NodeMCU or ESP8266 board. Coding will be done on Arduino IDE. The components required for this project are NodeMCU, a 0.96-inch I2C OLED display, a breadboard and some jumper wires. Now, let's set the required keys in code. Download the code from the link given in the description. Open the code in Arduino IDE. Replace the SSID and password in the code with your own Wi-Fi credentials. Now we will see how to get YouTube API key from Google Console and set it in the code. Go to this link. It is given in description of the video. You must be logged into your Gmail account to access this link. Now search for the YouTube API v3. Click on it. Press enable and wait for it to get enabled. Click on Create Credentials. Select Public Data and click Next. Here we got the API key. Copy it and paste it in the code like this. Now let's get the YouTube channel ID. Go to the link given in the description. On the link you will find your channel's ID. Copy this and paste it in the code. Now, let's install the required libraries. In Arduino IDE, go to Sketch, Library Manager. Search for Adafruit GFX. Install the Adafruit GFX library. Wait for it to finish installing. Now search for Adafruit SSD 1306. Install the Adafruit SSD 1306 library. Wait for it to finish installing. Then search for YouTube API library and install it. Similarly, search for Arduino JSON library and install it as well. Close the window. Now go to Tools, and change the board to NodeMCU 0.9 board. Now compile the code to make sure there are no errors. Now, let's wire the circuit and upload the code. To build the circuit, we need this breadboard, a NodeMCU or ESP8266 board, this 0.96-inch I2C OLED display, some jumper wires, and a micro USB to USB-A cable to connect it with computer. Plug the NodeMCU and OLED in the breadboard. Connect VCC of display to 3.3 volt pin of NodeMCU and ground to NodeMCU ground. Connect SDA of display to pin D1 of NodeMCU. Connect SCL of display to pin D2 of NodeMCU. Let's plug the USB cable into PC and upload the code into NodeMCU. Select the correct COM port and upload the code. We can observe the onboard LED on NodeMCU blinking. It means the code is uploading. After it is uploaded, let's see it's working. We can see it is showing the number of subscribers, total views of channel, and number of videos uploaded on channel. You can make this for your own channel by following these steps. The link to this project is also given in the description of the video. Thank you for watching. Visit arduinoyard.com for further details and projects. Please hit like and subscribe to our channel.